Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer your transferable balance from Pi Network app to your Pi Mainnet wallet. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to know how you can buy, sell or trade Pi coin, you can check out my full Pi Network playlist in the upper right corner. And I will also link that playlist at the end of this video. So hopefully that clears up some additional questions that you might have related about Pi Network. And now let's continue. So first off, once you open up your Pi app and you go to your mainnet, you will be on this screen right here. Now here you will be able to see your unverified balance, your transferable balance, and the balance that was already migrated to the mainnet wallet. So how can we transfer our transferable balance to our mainnet Pi wallet? Well, first off, you would need to go to the checklist right here and make sure that you finished everything on this checklist, as you can see. So your whole checklist needs to be green. And as you can see under the last step, it says your initial migration to the mainnet is complete and the amount of Pi was set over to the wallet that I created. So once everything from the mainnet checklist is completed, you would need to first configure the lockup rate. So go over to your lockup rate, and I would recommend for you to put this at 100% and 2 weeks. So why 2 weeks? Well, because it's the shortest period for you to get your Pi coins. Now, once you have your lockup period configured, you can go back and we can check out some information about the transferable balance. So as you can see here, they first tell us that we need to complete the mainnet checklist, which we already did. And if you have completed the mainnet checklist step, the accurate amount of Pi will be transferred automatically based on the lockup settings when the mainnet migration occurs. So if you configured your lockup and completed the mainnet checklist, you would just need to wait for the mainnet migration to occur. Now there is no real information about when these migrations are happening, so you would just need to wait it out until the migration happens. So for me, my first initial migration was back in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. And as they say, you would just need to wait out for another mainnet migration to occur and your coins will be automatically transferred over to your mainnet wallet. Just make sure that you configured your lockup period and that you completed the mainnet checklist. And that's guys how you transfer your transferable balance from your Pi app to your Pi mainnet wallet. If you're interested in other Pi related videos, you can watch my full Pi Network playlist right here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.